I welcome on Yourpedia education platform, and as you know, in the domain of foreign admissions, recently we have started exploring another domain, which is doing internship abroad. And now if I add the kind of opportunities through which we can check out careers abroad, it is going for internship during graduation, going for masters after graduation, going for PhD after masters, going for postdoctorate fellowship after PhD, going for jobs. These are the options as of now available to us, which we can explore. Not every stage of your academic journey, wherever you are, or professional journey, you can explore the options. You can go there, and there is always intelligent way, one best way to do the work. There is always one best way, and that is what as technocrat you should identify. There are so many ways, but then there is a one best way, which is the most efficient way, which saves the resources for you, which gives you maximum dividend or maximum output or maximum benefit. That method we should know, and we should try to check out that. We should not spend money if it is not required to be spent. We should not basically waste our time in those universities or courses which do not give us basically career later on. Now in all these domains, one of the modus operandi, one of the best way to know the what are the various opportunities for us, the best way to do that is cold mailing. You know, this term you should know, and you should try this term in your life always. Even I do that. Whenever I am to interact or I am to interview some professor, director or something, I cold mail. What is the meaning of cold mail? I mail him, but the mail has to be purposeful. These guys get hundreds of mails. Out of these 99 they don't see. You should write that one mail which they see. You understand what I said? Let me repeat. Cold mailing means mailing the person for collaboration. You have to mail many people. Okay, I want to do my masters with you, I want to interact with you. So you drop the mail. Why he will see that? Probability is he will not see it. Out of 199 he will send in the trash. He will not see your mail. But one he will see out of 100. That is a probability, let us say. So that one mail should be of yours, you know. You should have that mail. Now how to increase the probability that that one mail is mine? One is that mail more frequently, mail more people. Another is mail very nicely, so that the title of the mail itself is suggestive that he should see it. He should find your mail interesting, and he should feel like replying you back. That is called cold mailing. You know, try this. This is the surest way to get response from the professor. And on Yourpedia we have been telling you that if you want to get internship after BTech, during BTech, second year, third year, you want to get internship 2-3 months, you want to get MS, you want to get PhD, cold mailing is the first step. And the mentors of Yourpedia are going to tell you how to cold mail. What should be written in that? You know, as I tell you, if you want to get a response from a professor, you need to drop 20 mails to him, 20 times. Right? But should we send the same mail again and again? No. Should we send 20 mails in one day? No. You have to send after every 2 weeks. You have to write something new. You have to do the analysis. You have to send the mail such that he feels like seeing your mail and replying back to you. All these things, once you do, you start getting the response, and response come. So the best part is, even if your CGPA is not good, your grades are not good, even if your research paper work is not there, you can impress any professor with your cold mailing or with your mailing, and you can get the response. And once you get a response, you get scholarship also, you get opportunities also. Let's do it. Let's learn it with the mentors of Yourpedia. Fill the Google form attached if you are interested to explore all these opportunities: internship, MS, PhD, postdoctorate fellowship, or jobs abroad. If you are interested for that, have interaction with the mentors and learn how best you have to do this. So let's start cold mailing and collaborating. Thank you.